here. It's one building with essentially 2 units in it, which they've been renting separately. So a nice little unfinished but walled in area that could be beautiful here. And 2 parking pads, no garage. So we'll do this video in 2 parts. We'll do the upstairs first, and then we'll go downstairs. So 4 bedrooms in this part of the house. And the entire property was remodeled in 2 phases, but both were relatively recent. So let's see, this tile floor here, nice kitchen, outdoor area there with a little grill. So they dialed in the inside of the house. The outside could use a little more love, but the outside has good bones, if you will. I will. I still say good bones for outside stuff, not just structures. So basic remodel stuff here. That's a classic Home Depot vanity. Same as that one there. But it's good stuff. Hickory usually. They did pine trims. So stuff isn't fancy, but it's totally workable. Looks nice, feels nice. And if it's not hammered too much, it should last. All right, so we've seen one of the bedrooms there. Downstairs, we saw the kitchen there, and now we've got 3 bedrooms. This is old Tahoe style up here. You can see this Pickwick style wood, and then that's the window for the bedroom. I guess they've been renting this upper, this upper space for this 4-bedroom part up here for $2,300 a month, which sounds about right. Current list price is $650, and they say that's firm. If it's been a while since this video has been uploaded, please reach out to me for current pricing. But yeah, again, small bedrooms, but nice feel here for sure. Okay, so now I'm going to hit pause and go down to the lower unit. We'll start the video again there. Okay, sorry for that abrupt change in the video, but now we're downstairs here. We're on this entry level. And so this is the lower unit, which they rented separately for about $1,200 a month. Looks like there's some storage under there. You can see this. A lot of times we see these things in really bad condition, and you can tell from underneath. This is not only covered, but it does appear to be better maintained than most properties. So this place appears to be pretty clean as far as maintenance and structure and all that kind of stuff. So this is the main room. There's fireplace here, that's gas. We'll step up here into the kitchen. You've got the small apartment size stove. Totally smart remodel here, as I was alluding to upstairs. Completely appropriate. This ceiling right here is probably only about 6'2", I gotta say. So this is probably, a non-permitted little zone down here. Go ahead and focus, there we go. So tub shower there, vanity toilet, sink, and then laundry. And then an exit out that way. So we are seeing these sort of units get becoming more legal through the county lately because of the housing shortage for long-term housing here. So that's a good thing. And for now, we just make you aware of what's going on and you decide what you want to do with the property. All right, thanks for visiting the Big Blue Lake channel on YouTube.